Yes, I. Yes, people, greetings once again. Don't know Sunday vibes. You know my vibes on a Sunday. Yeah. My vibes on a Sunday. So today is Sunday. It's all about all in our vibes. Yeah. So I'm gonna take our wet one. Really. Respect. What I see. What is I alone was thinking about it, boy, but great minds think alike. Yeah. You don't know. Yeah. Real sun come down here, boy. Huh? Say real sun come down here. Yeah.
I know you had to choose everybody to hour now.
Cool. Early too, eh? Yeah. I going up on top. Yeah, I going up on top and take it quick. I know they're going to be more cool, eh? Love. Yeah. So yeah, Sunday vibes. Come and take a bath. Don't know today. My brother Sizzler have a little christening for youth today, so Sharpshooter Sound is going to be there, giving thanks to life. So big up Sizzler and the youth and the christening, Sizzler and the family. Yeah. So I come to take a fresh early. Then I have to go on the radio station. And after the radio station, I have to go and play out in the christening. So that's my day for today. To clean up this road here, boy. They clean up the road, boy. Like some people been doing some work up here. The road looking nice. That is what I'm talking about. The road looking nice. They clean up the road. Just gonna take a quick wet. Head back in. So yeah, I want to take it quick rainfall coming. People watch the fuzzy place clean. Normally, you know, I was park my car here. You know how long I see this road going up there clean? Like, I love the work they're doing. They clean up around here. Look how nice and clean it looking. Yeah, no set of bamboo falling on the road and everything nice and clean. Even the track, look how they clean up the track nice. It's looking real clean. I love what they've done here. This is very good. Very good. Well done. Well done. Very happy about this. So yeah. Rain drizzling a bit. It's early Sunday morning. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. So just heading to take a quick bath. And head back home. Head back in the HQ. And do my radio show. It's been a while I ain't come up here too. I really don't like to go the same place over and over. I like go different places, touch different waters. But yeah, look, the real clean up here, boy. Real clean. Look how clean up here is now. Yeah, all the trees at the side cut down. It's nice, real nice. Wow. We've done a wonderful job up here. Wonderful job, I must say. Yeah, you can see straight down in a real sweet and nice. Real sweet and I don't even think the camera doing it any justice. Yeah, it's so sweet and nice, eh? Clean and heavenly. Can't see no rubbish nowhere, only leaves. That is what we're talking about. Clean water. Well, look, all the bush through. Over the. Yeah, they make it clear, the clear out, man, look. The clear out, you know, all the clear out. It's like they're taking care of the forest in the back here now. Look, all here, all them, look. It used to be hard to see down in there with all the debris and all the things used to be hanging. It's looking real beautiful now. Clear out, clear space. You could see right through the place. Right through. Wow. This is the first time I ever seen here. So clear and nice. All my life I've been coming here. First time. Yeah. First time I ever see it so clear. Really appreciate it. I really appreciate this. Well, I need to put back the bamboo there. So this spouting right there. I know water might be pushing down. But yeah. Clean and nice. Clean and nice. Yes, people. One of my favorite spots. One of my favorite waterfall in Trinidad. This is the place I learned to swim. Personally. Yeah. First time I ever swim in my life is right here. Basson Waterfall. Times like this, I love it. No one up here. There's no one. Look, all the grass. Look how clear and clean. Only look how Blue Basson looking nice and clean. Yeah. Nice and clean. So when all they do get chance to come to the Blue Basson, I encourage you all to keep it nice and clean. Take you all the rubbish when you are leaving. Yo, we notice you don't have a rubbish, not a speck and nothing. Nowhere, just nature, just water, sand, stone, leaf. You can't see no rubbish nowhere. All on the air, clear down all up there now. It's the best I ever see Blue Basson, people. Trust me, nice and clear. The cleanest I ever see Blue Basson. I must say thank you to the people who done this wonderful job. I must say thank you. I really appreciate this. Really appreciate this. This is so lovely. It feels so good that you could see from here straight out naturally. But that sound like a helicopter or something, so boy. I'm hearing some like a helicopter, people. I'm hearing something, you know. Well, you hear the waterfall, but all you could hear that noise, a heavy rumbling, and sounds like a helicopter. It's somewhat close. I can hear it is somewhat close. Anyhow, yeah, nice and clean. Water clean, brand new water. Yeah. So this is what Blue Basin looks like, people. Hope you all keep it like this. Keep up the good work, Trinidad. Everybody be safe. And you don't know, one love. Yours truly, IJAH-DAN, BACCHANAL-TV, signing out.